channel. It is 15 days trip for us. If we don't bring anything, we can't eat food, drink water. So we should bring everything of these. We have bring water boiler, electric cooker, rice, and these are the 2 water bottles. And this is the for me milk. And this is the water tin. If we don't bring water, we can drink for the truck. And he already gave this water purifier. And we already bring this water tin. And these are the snacks items. Wait. These are the homemade chocolates, and I will send you the recipe how to make this. These are the sweets, yummy sweets, and I love sweets. Immunity kit. This is the Chyanprash. Immunity drink. This is the, if we mix in the water, we should mix in the water. This is the coffee powder. And this is the ghee, so ghee. And these are the pickles. We already bring 2 glasses. They given us 2 glasses, some more glasses. I'll show you. And these are some more glasses. These are very breakable glasses. Coming to the spices. This is the salt and the chili powder. This is mustard seeds. These are the biryani meals. These are the chandans, jeera, factorian, turmeric powder, jeera powder, and these are the green tea packets. These are the red chili, so spicy. And these are the garlic and tamarind, my favorite. Ginger garlic paste, knife, peeler, grater. This is the hot bag, and they given us. This is the bowl. These are the plates we brought from home. And he already gave some plates. And fridge. And these are some 2 lemons, fruit, and here's another fruit. These are the breakfast items. This is glucose we should use in the journey instead of drinking cool drinks. And these are the dry fruits. These are the dates, dry fruits again. This is the roti powder. And these are the cashews, again dry fruits. And these are the peanut butter. But it's a juicy. These are the dal, rice. And this is the green chili. Some vegetables there is the ragi flakes. That's it. That's all for today. Bye. Thank you.